Stay informed with Invention 11, your trusted source for news and insights. Hello everyone, and welcome to my vlog on whether the ship, car, train, or plane is the most important invention in human history. This is a fascinating topic, and I'm excited to dive in and explore the significance of each of these inventions. First, let's start with the ship. The ship is undoubtedly one of the most important inventions in human history. It allowed humans to explore new territories and trade with other nations, leading to the growth of civilization as we know it. Ships also played a significant role in the development of naval warfare, which was essential in shaping world history. However, despite the immense benefits that ships brought to humanity, they also had some negative impacts, such as the spread of disease, environmental pollution, and the exploitation of natural resources. Next, let's talk about the car. The invention of the car revolutionized transportation and changed the way we live our lives. Cars allowed people to travel long distances quickly and efficiently, and they played a crucial role in the development of the modern world. Cars also led to the creation of highways and the growth of suburbs, which shaped the urban landscape. However, cars have also had negative impacts on the environment, such as air pollution and the consumption of fossil fuels, which contribute to climate change. Moving on to the train, it's another invention that has had a significant impact on human history. The train allowed people to travel faster and farther than ever before, making transportation of goods and people much more efficient. Trains also played a crucial role in the development of industrialization, which transformed the world's economy. However, like cars, trains also have negative impacts, such as environmental pollution and the exploitation of natural resources. Finally, let's talk about the plane. The invention of the plane changed the world in ways that no one could have imagined. It allowed people to travel across the globe in a matter of hours, connecting people from different parts of the world and bringing them closer together. The plane has also been essential in the development of the global economy, making international trade and commerce more accessible. However, planes also have significant negative impacts, such as air pollution and the use of fossil fuels. So, which of these inventions is the most important? Well, the answer is that there is no clear winner. Each of these inventions has had a significant impact on human history and has played a crucial role in shaping the world as we know it. The ship, car, train, and plane have all brought both positive and negative impacts, and it's up to us to mitigate the negative effects and maximize the positive ones. In conclusion, the ship, car, train, and plane are all incredibly important inventions that have changed the world in significant ways. They have allowed us to travel faster and farther than ever before, connect with people from different parts of the world, and shape the global economy. However, we must also be aware of the negative impacts that these inventions have had on the environment and natural resources, and take steps to minimize these impacts. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this vlog informative and thought-provoking. Please share and subscribe Invention 11 channel.